A bionic hand for every amputee. My main objective is to make the bionic hand affordable for disabled persons. And for this purpose, we need to design the basic element of this bionic hand, which is the finger. And in this project, I will use the 3D printing service from GLC PCB. So let's start it. I made this 3D design 2 years ago, when I was a student, and it's composed from 7 different parts: 3 phalanges, DC motor, endless screw, gear, and the C port. The next part is ordering the 3D printed parts from GLC PCB, where you can get it just for $1 with a different type of materials. After 3 days, I received my 3D printed parts. Let's unbox them. The quality looks amazing, and I choose to make the phalanges with the resin 6060 and the endless gear or the endless screw and the gear and the support with the PA12 nylon. While I was waiting the shipping of these parts, I print those parts using my FDM printer to compare between the FDM and the SLA printing, and you can observe that in the next shot under my microscope. What's clear in these shots that the difference is huge. Where in the SLA GLC PCB printing, the surface of the parts are clean, complete and homogeneous. But in the FDM printing, we can observe that the parts are incomplete, heterogeneous with a rough surface. And in this section I will assemble all the parts together and we see the result later.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Too many things going on, I can't keep track of
people dropping a bomb, to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide, when everything is a lie. You'll find that out in some time, but when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless.
After assembling all the parts, I observed that my design have a problem. And the first one, that the motor cannot handle big weights. And the second one, the articulations should to be modified. So in the next video, I will show you the modifications needed. See you guys.